The state health department has now updated the school data on the COVID dashboard.
Yeah, now you can see this year's cases at your school separated from last year's cases. Now, positive cases in Indiana schools are at the highest level since the state started collecting data a year ago. More than 4,400 cases have been reported in the past week alone, with a one-day record high of over 1,300 cases. That was on August 23rd.
Now, the actual numbers are probably even higher across Indiana. That's because the health department is telling us more than half of Indiana schools have not reported cases to the state during this school year.
I want to stress that these cases must be reported to the state. Unfortunately, we have many more weeks of this high level of activity before we can expect this Delta surge to start declining. And that's why it's imperative that every Hoosier do what's needed to prevent additional cases.
The highest numbers of COVID cases in the classroom right now are in high schools because that's where students are old enough to be vaccinated. And we want to give you a look at all of the COVID cases across Indiana. The average number of cases each day over the last week is now over 4,200. That's the dotted line you see there. It is the highest number that we've seen in Indiana since mid-January. And unfortunately, the number of Hoosiers hospitalized with COVID-19 is also going up.